Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Crazy Tech Video, and in this video I bring two amazing applications for you, and I'm sure these two applications are going to be very useful for you in your daily life. Yes, so without wasting any time, let's start the video. Now the first application I have in my list is E2 PDF Backup Restore SMS Call Contacts Truecaller. Yes, that is an amazing application. Let me just open it and let me show you what exactly you can do with this application. Now, when you open this one, it will be open up like this. This is the normal interface of this application. Now, with this application, you can able to get the detail of any phone number, all the incoming, outgoing and missed call detail within few seconds. If you want to know the call detail of your phone number, when did you receive which call, what numbers you receive, you can come to this website and then you have to click on this PDF backup printable. Click on this continue and then you will be reaching on this page. There are so many of options you will be getting. You have to click on this journal call logs. Here you can see this one, that's a 24 August 2020 to 24 August 2021. These all are the call detail options which you can have to choose here. You can get the call details, all the call details, only the dial call, receive calls, or all the missed call. So I have chosen the first option here. I'm going to give a name to this file which I'm going to download and then click on this export to PDF. The moment you do this one, it will ask you to allow some permission. It will automatically give you the call detail of your phone of last 1 year. It will hardly take few seconds or minute and give you the details. See this? It is being done right now, and these all are the numbers which I have received of last 1 year of my phone, where I have called, where I have received calls, and what are the missed call which I have received on my phone. See this? Here you can see this one. These are the dial number, received number, missed call. Every detail you will be getting here with the duration, timing, date, numbers and the name as well. So this is an amazing application. You should try this one. If you really want to have the backup of all the call details of your phone, then you should try this one. Link you will be getting in the description. Now let's talk about the second application, and the second application is also very useful, and the name of the application is QR and barcode scanner. Yes, that is also very useful application nowadays, because if whenever you buy anything from any showroom or from online or from anywhere, you can able to check that product whether it is a fake product or is it a real product. So this application really helps you in that. So simply you have to click on open and open this application and allow some permission to this application. Now when you open this one, it will be open up like this. This is the interface. The camera of your phone automatically open up. Now here I have a box with me. This is a box of a tablet which I have just recently bought. So I'm going to just try this one whether it is a real one or a fake one. So on this box there is a barcode. You can see this one. This is the barcode which I have on this box. So you just need to scan this barcode with this application. You can able to copy this one, share this one, or you can able to open this one. Click on open and open it, and it will be open up like this. See this? This is how it will open up. It will show me the serial number, my warranty. It is out of warranty right now. It's an old one. All the contact list, like it will show me that is it a genuine and the company's product or not. If it would be a fake product, this website would never open up. It won't show me the serial number. It won't show me any detail about my tablet. So anything you buy from online, you should check that product with this application. That is really amazing application. Application name is QR and barcode scanner. So these are the two applications I have right now for you. I hope you like both of them. Any question related to these two applications, simply comment below and we will surely get back to you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.